Welcome to Auto Trend. Welcome back to Auto Trend, where we explore the most iconic vehicles of all time. Today, we're looking at a true off-road legend of the 1960 Land Rover Series I. This is the vehicle that laid the foundation for Land Rover's legacy, and it's an absolute icon of ruggedness and versatility. The 1960 Land Rover Series I was designed to tackle any terrain. With its boxy shape, durable construction, and high ground clearance, it was built for adventure. Its aluminium body was lightweight yet strong, making it ideal for off-road conditions while also resisting corrosion. A true engineering marvel of its time. Under the hood, the Series I came equipped with a reliable inline-4 engine. While not built for speed, it delivered the torque and power needed for climbing steep hills, fording rivers, and navigating rocky trails. Its four-wheel drive system and rugged suspension made it an unstoppable force in challenging environments. Inside, the Series I had a no-nonsense interior focused on practicality. Simple gauges, durable materials, and minimal creature comforts reflected its utilitarian purpose. It was a workhorse vehicle, loved by farmers, explorers, and adventurers around the world. The Land Rover Series I wasn't just a car, it was a tool that opened up new possibilities. From crossing deserts to exploring jungles, it became a symbol of reliability and capability. Its legacy lives on in modern Land Rovers, but the charm and raw spirit of the Series I remain unmatched. Thank you for tuning in to Auto Trend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into legendary vehicles. Stay adventurous, and see you in the next episode.